Hey, I'm Sam and I Do Design. This week I am back with the weekly design challenge and we are designing a Formula One racing glove. So this challenge is really interesting for a couple of reasons. It's always important to show your products in context and in use to give them some extra story behind the product so you can explain the features better. I've been lazy over the past few weeks and haven't included any interaction with my products, so to have a glove which is the shape of a human form really forces me to include human anatomy into my sketch. I know a lot of people, me included, find drawing hands really complicated, but if you think about it, you can split the hand into 3 different shapes. The first shape, the most important one, is the palm area. That is going to be a square that you can draw on the page, which is what I've done here. The second one is the fingers up at the top, and you can do that as another square shape that sort of tapers down once you get to these smaller fingers on the end. And the third shape you can use is this triangle shape for the thumb, as it's going to come out from the first square here. And once you've got all those 3 parts, you can start to add in the details later on. So as with all of my sketches, I'm going to do the quick form underneath, then I'm going to start adding in the more finer details with line work afterwards. And then I'll block in the colors, and then all on separate layers, I'll do the highlights and shadows to push and pull the form as I need to. Then I always like to finish off my drawings with some pop highlights at the end, which I think really makes the sketch pop. This week is no exception. It's just got that extra value for including human anatomy, which I think is really difficult, so I learned a lot doing this project. So having a challenge like this is perfect because it means that I'm out of my comfort zone and I'm learning more things this week than I have done in a long time. So I wanted to use a sort of sporty Nike sponsored look, but also I'm absolutely in love with everything that Virgil Abloh does, so I wanted to add that off-white sort of vibe and put in the speech marks and just explain what the product is. So I added in Racing Glove in Helvetica. I think the font is really similar to the one they use, it might not be the same one. And I added in the quotation marks, which are just blocks instead of the actual curved 66 and 99s. And so far, at the time of filming this, I haven't been shared to their page, so maybe I haven't done enough this week. But by the time this video comes out to you guys, I might have been shared, hopefully, so fingers crossed for that. I just hope that I've done enough this week, but seeing as I haven't been shared already and it's already been out for 4 days, I kind of think that I should have done more, so next week I'll be at it even harder. I've also agreed to do this challenge with Jacob over on his channel, but I know that he's been so busy over the last few weeks with his new job and taking on more jobs, so I understand that he hasn't been able to do the sketches as frequently as he likes. When we started this series, we wanted to see if we could challenge each other to get better at sketching and see if either one of us could get posted on the weekly design challenge. But definitely go and check out his channel anyway to see if he's posted this week. As always on these videos, don't forget to go and check out Jacob's channel to see if he's posted, and also go and check out the weekly design challenge over on Instagram to see if we've been shared on there. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments which feature you enjoyed most and what you want me to sketch next. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button and everything else that YouTube asks you to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. He's not going to be out. Blah, 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 blah. Blah.